What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic chemical. As you see here, we are dealing with cyclohexane here. We have methyl group and we have hydroxyl group. Since we have hydroxyl group, it means that we are dealing with an alcohol. So let's start naming them. So we always need to start with the alcohol. So this carbon is carbon number 1. We need to go that way because that's closer to methyl. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the name of this product is going to be 3-methylcyclohexanol. That's going to be the name of this organic compound. 3-methylcyclohexanol, because that's alcohol. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, please like this video.